luck. Very good. So that's what we're discussing today, luck versus confidence. There are two kinds of people in the world. One who depend on luck, who say, if I'm lucky, then...
ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா இருக்கு இந்த ஜில்லெட் ஸ்டேஜ் நிக்கிறதுக்கு. அவர் சொன்ன மாதிரி இந்த மாசம் அடுத்த மாசம் 2 படம் பேக் டு பேக் ரிலீஸ் ரெடி ஆயிட்டு இருக்கு. ஸோ அந்த டென்ஷன் நடுவில் கூலா ஒரு ஷேவ் போட்டு ஜில்லெட் பத்தி பேசலாம்னு வந்திருக்கேன். So yeah, nice to be here.
So Siddharth, we were just discussing with our lovely members of the media about luck and confidence. Luck was you've come a long way in your career. It's been a wonderful journey. Tell me, how much of it was you being lucky? How much of it was you being confident that you're prepared to meet any opportunity that comes your way?
I think first of all, எனக்கு லக்ல பெருசா உடன்பாடு கிடையாது. I don't believe in luck. I think I'm a self-made man. As far as my career, ஒரு ஆக்டரா, ஒரு ப்ரொடியூசரா, ஒரு சிங்கரா, எனக்கு முன்னாடி எங்க குடும்பத்துல யாருமே இதெல்லாம் பண்ணது கிடையாது. So I was the first in my family to do all of this. So everything that I've done in my life is years. நிறைய பேர் என்ன கேட்ட கேள்வி ஒன்றுதான் ஆக்சுவலா. ஒரு கேள்வி வந்து ஏன் உங்களுக்கு வயசே ஆக மாட்டேங்குதுன்னு கேட்பாங்க. 10 வருஷமா அப்படியே இருக்கீங்கன்னு சொல்றாங்க. அதுக்கு முக்கியமான காரணம் வந்து எனக்கு வந்து தாடி வச்சுக்கிற பழக்கம் கிடையாது. கொஞ்சம் கிளீன் ஷேவன் லுக்கு ப்ரிஃபர் பண்ணுவேன். ஸோ நிறைய பேர் என்ன சாக்லேட் பாய் அந்த மாதிரிலாம் பேர்லாம் கொடுத்து நிறைய பேர் வர்ணிப்பாங்க. பட் அதுக்கு முக்கியமான காரணம் எனக்கு இந்த சின்ன வயசுல இந்த கிளீன் ஷேவன் லுக் ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். அண்ட் as far as my looks are concerned as an actor in my films that I've done, I've always found that it helps to always look your best and look your cleanest and sharpest if you want to be admired for your looks. And you've been அழகுங்கிறது மீசம்பாங்க. At the same time அந்த மீசை எல்லாம் clean shaven இருந்தா அதையும் ரசிப்பாங்க. So even if you want a good moustache, you still need to clean the rest of your face for that moustache to shine, right? So it's about grooming. I think that's the right word. You nailed it on the head. So you never know when that opportunity is going to come. If it could be an audition, it could be you're being spotted in the airport by a director who wants to work with you. It could be anything, and we live for that opportunity, and you just want to look your best all the time. And guys who are clean cut, right? So they like their men to look sharp, and I've had very good results, thank you, over the years.
Fantastic.
I've not done too badly.
Excellent. You've done brilliantly there.
பொண்ணுங்க கிட்ட பாராட்டு வாங்குறதுங்கிறது ரொம்ப ஸ்பெஷலான விஷயம். So it's அந்த விஷயம் நடக்கும்போது ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா இருக்கும். It's really exciting thing to happen.
But let's take that a step ahead. Let's get a gorgeous girl, a very presenting the newest member of our Gillette family. She's a fine actress, a wonderful looking girl right here with us, presenting the very talented, the very gorgeous Kriti Sanon.
Be it an opportunity for your professional or your career, or a daily opportunity that you might just get to meet a person that you want to be with. Whether you as he said, that you might just meet someone at the airport and you might think, oh my God, I'm not looking my best today. Why didn't I shave? So I think we should be ready, and that's what I believe in. Just to be prepared for anything, because you never know when you might just get lucky, and that lucky day might just come. So I think totally relying on destiny is absolutely not cool. You need to be prepared for everyday opportunities, to seize those opportunities that come your way. So I think, absolutely, I think, that first impression and that thing, that confidence that comes in you when you know that you're looking good. When you just look at yourself in the morning before.
Show them the magic of the Gillette Mark III Turbo. So Siddharth, would you trust Kriti to do the honors?
Back in the day, if you had a blade in your hand and you asked me to trust her, I don't think I would. I use this razor at home, so I'm very safe. It's a really nice, smooth blade, so I'm alright.
There you go.
She can't go wrong, and I think she's going to do a really good job. What do you think?
I'm sure she will.
I've done it only once now, so I'm warning you.
There you go. When a cute girl wants to see a side of your cheek, you always say yes, my friend.